Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. DaCosta. So I just wanted to come on here really quickly to explain how to do today's math assignment. I did see some errors in yesterday's work, but these are errors that are very small and they can be fixed. So just please make sure that you are paying attention. And if you need to take notes, you can do that, okay? So here is today's math assignment. It is worksheet page 118, numbers 10 through 23. So you're doing the whole page. Please make sure you are reading the directions. I'm going to read them right now. It says identify the squares and rectangles. Shade each square. Circle each rectangle. Okay. So I'm going to use my drawing tool. Okay. And you can use, since you're going to be shading, you can use any color you want. I'll use purple. So let's look at number 10. Is this shape a square or a rectangle? Is it one of those two? Yes, it is. Which one is it? Well, I know that it is a square. How do I know that? Because all of the sides are equal what? They are equal length, okay? So it says to shade the square. So you can shade it in. It doesn't need to be perfect, okay? Just make sure that you are shading it in, okay? Let's look at number 11. Is this shape a square or a rectangle? Yes, it is one of those two. Which one is it? Well, it's not a square, okay? How do I know that it's not a square? Well, because this side is not the same length as this side, okay? No way, all right? So, what is it? It is a rectangle, okay? So we are circling, right? Because the directions say to circle, we are circling the rectangles, okay? Now I want to jump down to numbers 13 and 14, okay? Number 13, is that a square or a rectangle? No, okay? It's a circle. We can see that. So we don't do anything to it. You leave it alone, you move on to number 14, okay? Now, with shapes like this, be very careful, okay? You might think to yourself, well, this side, these two parallel sides are the same length, okay? And these two parallel sides are the same length, so it must be a rectangle. It's not a rectangle. Why is it not a rectangle? Why is this not a rectangle? Well, it's not a rectangle because, why isn't this erasing? Okay, here we go. This is not a rectangle because a rectangle, let's look, a rectangle, each corner makes a perfect 90-degree angle, this perfect little corner, okay? Do we have 90-degree angles here? No, we don't, okay? So this is not a rectangle or a square, okay? So you don't do anything to it. You leave it alone. You move on to number 15, okay? I just wanted to point that out. Be very careful when you do today's assignment because I saw a lot of errors yesterday, okay? A square, all of the lengths, I'm sorry, all of the sides have to be the same length, okay? And it has to form that nice, whoa, I just erased that. That's okay. The corners have to form that 90-degree angle. A rectangle, the opposite sides, the parallel sides have to be the same length and the corners have to be 90 degrees, okay? Shapes like this is obviously a square. Oh my goodness. Shapes like this is obviously a circle. And the angles are not 90 degrees, okay? So this would not be a square or a rectangle. So be very, very careful, okay? I miss you all. I love you. Have a great day. I will see you soon. Bye.